is the phenomena? A hiccup is an involuntary contraction of the diaphragm, causing the glottis to snap shut, resulting in a hiccup.
What happens?
The phrenic nerve and the vagus nerve send impulses to the diaphragm, which result in the contraction and spasm that occurs in a hiccup.
The diaphragm, the muscle separating the chest cavity from the abdomen, helps you breathe in by flattening and creating a vacuum. When irritated, the muscle contracts, leading to a sharp intake in breath and forcing the glottis to snap shut. A piece of tissue that covers the windpipe when you swallow, the glottis, protects the lungs from food and saliva. As it's forced to snap shut, it creates the resulting hic sound that we know as a hiccup.